Kia ora. Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of installing Metamask and creating your first crypto wallet. Metamask is a popular crypto wallet and gateway to decentralized applications. It's secure, easy to use, and a must-have tool for anyone interested in joining Team IN-DIGI-NIZED. Start by opening your web browser and going to metamask.io. This is the official Metamask website. Click on Get Chrome extension to download Metamask as a browser extension, or if you're on a mobile, you can download it straight from your App Store. Once it's downloaded, you'll see the Metamask box icon in the top right corner of your browser, and for mobile users, an icon on your home screen. Click on it to start the setup process. Here, you'll need to agree to the terms of use and then click on Create a new wallet. Read through this list of do's and don'ts and then click on Agree. The next step is to set a strong password for your wallet. You want to make it unique and something that only you would know. Once you have created a password, click on Create New Wallet. Metamask will now generate a secret backup phrase. This part is crucial. Write down your password and keep it in a safe place, and do not share it with anyone. The next step is to confirm your backup phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. Remember, you are responsible for your password now, and no one in the world knows it but you. By creating this wallet, you have agreed to be responsible for your assets. If you lose it, you risk losing access to your wallet, so keep it safe and never give it to anyone. Once you have confirmed your secret phrase, click on Confirm. And congratulations, your wallet is created. Now you want to take some time to explore your Metamask wallet. You can view your assets, send and receive cryptocurrencies, and even interact with decentralized DApps. That's it. You've successfully installed Metamask and created your first wallet. Now that you're ready to dive into the world of crypto and decentralized apps, happy cryptoing. And if you've found this tutorial helpful, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.